What's happening, folks? Hope you're having a great Sunday afternoon on this Father's Day. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. With the latest on the threat for strong to severe storms on Monday, there's been some talk about that threat for some storms, and I'm going to try to break it down for you and let you know exactly what to expect here as we start the work week. Right now, we're kind of pinpointing Monday afternoon for that threat for some strong to severe storms. This evening, though, is going to be fine. Partly cloudy skies, temperatures into the 80s, falling into the 70s, 60s overnight. Humidity is going to keep temperatures up overnight tonight. But what we're watching is that little system that's spinning out to the west. St. Louis, Chicago, out towards the Quad Cities. That is what's going to bring us our chance for some severe weather tomorrow. There is a slight risk for severe weather, the area in yellow, which encompasses really most of the state of Maryland. And that's just a little higher threat. Notice the scale on the left side of your screen. Level 5 of 5, of course, the high risk is the max risk you can get. We're at a level 2 here for tomorrow. So there's a threat there, but we're not looking at an outbreak of severe weather. Now, as far as what we're expecting, tornado threat exists, but it's going to be the lowest of the threats that we're expecting. We're talking about maybe some storms or two that could produce some rotation, that could drop a couple of tornadoes, but right now the chance is low. But there is going to be enough wind shear in the atmosphere for some of the storms to spin. The greater concern, though, is going to be from wind damage from these storms as they push on through. And that's really been the case for the past 2 or 3 severe weather events we've had the past month or so. They've been mainly wind producers. This is one of the forecast models we use. This is the HRRR model, basically showing what the radar could look like by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And the general consensus is from a lot of these short-range models is that we're expecting the highest storm chances between 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, all the way through 7 o'clock in the evening, before quickly moving out of the state by Monday night. So we're only talking about a window of about 5 to 6 hours where we have that storm potential across our area. This is just one model. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to pan out exactly like you see it here, but the general idea is that we'll have storms during the afternoon and evening. I'll be watching for how much sunshine we get before the storms arrive, because that'll determine how much instability we get, how much fuel is available for storms later in the day. Either way you look at it, 7-day forecast shows storm chances highs near 90 before the storms arrive. And then it looks like we'll cool down here for the early part of next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, before warming back up by Thursday. More opportunities for storms coming in later in the week. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. Happy Father's Day to you. Hope you had a great weekend. I'll keep you updated on the storm threat as it evolves into your Monday. Have a good one.